Welcome to Grow and Learn TV.
Whoa!
Animals and their homes. Just like we have our homes, animals too have their own special places to live.
Meow.
Cat.
Meow.
Basket. Cat lives in a basket.
Meow.
Dog. Kennel. Dog lives in a kennel. Bird. Nest. Bird lives in a nest. Fish. Pond. Fish lives in a pond. Rabbit. Burrow. Rabbit lives in a burrow. Anthill. Ant lives in anthill. Bee. Beehive. Bee lives in a beehive. Owl. Tree. Owl lives in a tree. Horse. Stable. Horse lives in a stable. Penguin. Ice. Penguin lives in ice. Chicken. Coop. Chicken lives in a coop. Review. Cat. Basket. Dog. Kennel. Bird. Nest. Fish. Pond. Rabbit. Burrow. Anthill. Bee. Beehive. Owl. Tree. Horse. Stable. Penguin. Ice. Chicken. Coop. Thank you for watching. Like, share, and subscribe our channel.